nearby Cambodia. The place of Sirom and Nup stay in this area. Our father used to visit this area. From I think from 7 until this day, we have 3 storms. The first storm approached to some provinces nearby the south, the central and the southern part. And the second is in the middle. And the third one is also the middle also. And you can see some maps on the screen. And now I would like to show one clip, just a short clip about typhoon. You can watch.
Unleashing heavy rains and high winds on the country's central coastal region. Images on state-run Vietnam television on Friday showed damaged houses and trees, with power poles pulled from the ground, as Vietnam's biggest storm of the year made landfall in Hue, the country's old imperial capital. On Thursday, authorities said more than 1 million people across 3 central provinces, as well as the city of Da Nang, would be evacuated. At least 1 person was killed and dozens others injured, state media reported, as 90 kilometers per hour, 56 miles per hour, winds struck. It was scary as the wind was so strong when the storm arrived, said Nguyen Xuan Vu, who lives in Hue. So many trees are down. Our city looks in bad shape, Vu told AFP news agency. All airports in central Vietnam remain closed, while a ban on fishing vessels has been in place since Thursday. Electricity has been completely cut off in Thu Quyen Vu province. Late on Friday, the storm was downgraded to a tropical depression, according to Vietnamese forecasters. Vietnam is routinely hit by tropical storms from around May to October, with its central coast affected most frequently. Meanwhile, 7 people died in a lightning strike in neighboring Cambodia. The lightning struck a wooden stilt house under which people were eating in Cambodia's northwestern Battambang province on Thursday evening. The dead included a family of 4 and 3 other relatives, said Keo Bai, the spokesman for the National Committee for Disaster Management. Separately, the Meteorological Department in Thailand issued a warning on Friday, saying rains from the Nile will cover every part of the country, especially northern and northeastern provinces.
These are some images of the storm in the central part of Vietnam. You know, in the central part, normally we have Phú Yên, Chirai, Da Nang, Hue, Quang Binh. In Quang Tri, Quang Binh, normally we have, we have Our Lady of La Vang, the holy place there. Mama Mary appear in Hue and Quang Binh. You see some pictures. This is the palace of the kings before, in Hue City. These are the elders and the kids. They are waiting for the people rescue them. In Hue, we have a very poor case. On the way, one lady, she is pregnant. She went to hospital and she was dying because of the flood. Also pushed her, and the mother and the baby also died inside the womb. Many animals die also. Big cows, dogs still alive. According to, I read some news. According to the news of Vietnam, we have a few hundred persons died and lost. They couldn't find until now. And there are 160,000 houses collapsed. And 151,000 animals died. 4,500 hectares, it was destroyed. And 2,100 hectares destroyed. It's a fish pond. And until now, no electricity more than 2 weeks until now. This is the last clips we can watch. This place is located in Hue and Quang Binh province. The roads becomes the rivers. This bridge we call Trường Tiền Bridge the river is we call Sông Hương River, Perfume River in Hue City. I also have some relatives, they work in Quang Binh and in Da Nang until now, but they are also evacuated to the high area in the mountain. They stay there. This is the gate of the elementary school. Thank you, brothers, Father, for watching.
Thank you, Vincent. So much so many things to pray for, and especially for our brothers and sisters in that part of Vietnam.